Today we continue our journey on the CISA program with audit project management. So what are the steps as we go along in audit planning or audit project management as an audit project plan? So initially we need to plan the audit engagement. So we need to see what are the parameters which will go into the planning part of it. We'll have to build on the audit plan. It has to be a proper plan. We have to execute the plan, and ultimately we will have to monitor the various project activities which goes into the plan. What basically are the audit objectives? What am I trying to achieve by this audit? So I need to be very clear about the goals that will be accomplished. I need to confirm that the internal control exists. So most of the audits are generally done for confirming to yes, internal controls exist or they do not exist. I will have to come from a very general audit objective to a very specific audit objective. So my general audit objective could be to see the health of the information systems, as in the information security parameters. But when I am actually checking through a particular department or particular activity, I will have specific objectives which will map onto the information security element of that. I need to identify the control objectives and then have them properly mapped to the related controls which address those objectives. What are the phases of the audit? There are certain phases to the audit. Basically, there are three. One is I plan. Second is the fieldwork and the documentation part of it. And then the reporting part of it. How I report. What are the various types in the audit programs? So audit programs, it follows through. I need to have a proper documentation of all the audit procedures so that it remains, and for any audit program it is used. What is the type of testing that I would be doing? Substantive or what? I need to be very clear on that. So that will be covering here. I need to be meeting the generally accepted audit standards. And I need to have proper procedures which is repeated not once, twice, multiple times for the internal or external audits as and when they keep happening. As an auditor, what would be the skills that someone would be looking for? So basically, as an auditor, the auditor should have an understanding of the enterprise. So the auditor needs to understand what exactly business the enterprise is doing. What is that organization into? That needs to be understood by the auditor. There, the auditor should be in a position to establish the correlation between the business risk and the IT risk. They cannot get out hand in hand, because I, as an auditor, should have a proper understanding of the ROI that is going in. So I need to know what is the business risk and also the IT risk and what is the correlation between them. I need to have an understanding of the different testing procedures. How would the testings be happening? IT space and the components which go into it. So I should have a broad enough understanding of the various IT components which are there. What is the IT architecture out there? Again, as an organizational auditing perspective, there should be an understanding of the auditor on the risk assessments part of it. Again, needless to say, audit work papers need to be preserved very securely so their integrity is maintained. There is no change in the papers as and when things happen. And if the auditor in the course of the audit finds that there are certain frauds or there are certain fraud indicators which are there, the auditor cannot ignore such a situation. He or she should be informing appropriate authorities. In case the auditor finds that there is a major fraud which is emanating, or there is a risk of a major fraud which might happen, which actually doesn't fall under the scope of the current engagement of the audit, but still he or she feels that there is a propensity of such a thing happening, should fall back to the audit committee, which should get reported immediately to the audit committee. So with this, we come to an end for today's session. We'll take up the further sessions as we proceed. Thank you.